Summer is in full swing. Temperatures are high, and my forehead is sweaty. I'm addicted to RC cars and trucks, but I don't want to go outside to play with them. I just wish there was some way to get the experience of bashing and thrashing RC cars within the comfort of my own home. Well, I'm here today to tell you, I found the solution. Allow me to introduce you to the Bezgar 5. This little but very capable RC truck packs a whole lot of punch into its tiny package. From 4-wheel drive to LEDs in the front, proportional steering, and a very affordable $60 price tag. What is there not to like? And I mean really, just look at how small this thing actually is. Here it is next to an Axial SEX24, which is known for being one of the best indoor crawler RCs. So the question is, can this Bezgar take the prize for the best indoor basher RC? Well, that's what I'm here to find out today. So to test this theory, I created an entire indoor stunt park, complete with several handmade cardboard ramps, obstacles, and even a loop-de-loop, because why not? All of these together should help determine whether the Bezgar 5 is worthy of bashing or trashing. The Bezgar is going to start off on this pillow here. It's going to come up and around the love seat, run up onto the drawbridge, come down, make a left turn, bank up this ramp onto the bed. From there it's going to make a U-turn and hit another ramp over the SEX24 and hopefully not go straight into my TV right there. When it hopefully lands down here, it's going to go for the loop-de-loop, come out, make a U-turn, hit the barrel roll ramp over the Hosem 9125, then it's going to make another U-turn and finish off at this mega ramp. Well, the Bezgar 5 proved it. Bigger does not always equal better. Take note, ladies. It's small enough to maneuver indoors and fast enough to bash. Now that I have my Bezgar 5, I really don't see any reason that I should ever have to leave my house again. This thing is a blast and a perfect candidate for indoor bashing.